If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, today I am sharing you the most delicious plum cake or fruit cake that is prepared during Christmas time. This recipe is usually prepared with all-purpose flour or maida and alcohol. But I am making the cake without alcohol, and to make it more healthy, I am using wheat flour instead of maida. So without wasting time, shall we begin? These are the main ingredients required for the cake. Take equal quantities of all ingredients. As simple as that and easy to remember. 1 cup of wheat flour. Tap once or twice and add the flour. 1 cup of organic brown sugar. White sugar or organic jaggery powder can also be used instead, but brown sugar is preferred for more tasty plum cake. 3 eggs. You can avoid this if you like to have eggless cake. Dry fruits. I have taken dry grapes, brown, blueberries, tutti frutti, cherries, dates, badam, apricot, cashews. You can add any dry fruits which are handy at home, but add more black and brown grapes, dates and blueberries for delicious cake. And 100 grams of butter. I have taken the whole packet. Now add dry fruits to a bowl. Chop rest of the dry fruits and add. Take 1 glass of grape juice and soak the dry fruits. You can use orange juice or mixed fruit juice for soaking. The traditional plum cake is prepared by soaking dry fruits with rum or wine and leave it for 1 month by adding alcohol frequently. Now soak dry fruits well with juice for minimum 2 hours or overnight or even 2 days. The more you soak, the better it tastes. Meanwhile, let us prepare spice powder. Add cinnamon, 4 cloves, 3 cardamom to mixer jar. Since we cannot grind this little quantity, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar and blend it to fine powder. Let us check dry fruits now. I have soaked it for 2 hours. Now we are all set to prepare the cake. Preheat the pressure cooker for 20 minutes in low flame. Add half-inch level of salt or sand and leave it to heat with no gasket and no whistle. The cake can also be baked in pan or kadai with same steps. Now take cake mold and grease with butter. Take butter paper and cut to required size. Place butter paper at the bottom of the pan. If you don't have cake mold and butter paper, use any vessel, apply butter around the pan and dust with flour. Let us make dough or batter. Take a large bowl that is comfortable for beating the dough. Add butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature and soft as well. Keep it out from fridge at least 1 hour before you start preparing. You can also melt the butter slightly by heating it on stove. Now add brown sugar. Use whisker and mix well. Add eggs little by little and whisk. Usually sugar is caramelized and then used. which means sugar is boiled well till it turns dark brown in color, and then hot water is added to it to avoid forming sugar lumps. As this takes extra effort and is little difficult for beginners, I avoided this step and added sugar directly. It makes no difference in either taste or color. If you have hand beater or electric beater, beat well till it becomes frothy and smooth. Now take a sieve and add wheat flour, 1 spoon of baking powder, half spoon of baking soda. If you add the flour directly, you get lumps while mixing. Add the spice powder and sieve in order to remove cardamom skin if left any. Gently mix the powder on top and then whisk. Now add soaked dry fruits. If you don't have time to soak dry fruits, you can add them directly. But mix half cup of wheat flour to it and then add. Add 1 spoon of vanilla essence. Mix well with whisker or use this type of spatula for better mix. The juice should be added little by little to make sure the dough doesn't become thin. Cut and then fold. Cut and then fold. Repeat the process so as to not to have any air bubbles. The dough should be neither too thick nor too thin. It should be of this consistency. You can add more grape juice if it is too thick. Now transfer the dough to cake mold. Just tap once or twice to release air gaps if present. Don't tap more times as all the dry fruits may sink to the bottom of the pan. Now place a stand or plate while the cooker is still in low flame as part of preheat process. Gently place the pan at the center without touching the edges. And be cautious as the cooker is already hot. Adjust the flame between low to medium and bake for 50 to 70 minutes. After 50 minutes, it is very important to keep a check for every 5 minutes if the cake is baked so as to take precaution from being overburnt. Let us have a look how it has come out. Smells nice. Test it by using toothpick. Insert at the center and the toothpick should be clean enough. Take it out and leave it to cool down completely. After 20 to 30 minutes, flip the cake and remove butter paper. Now gently flip over. Delicious and lip-smacking plum cake is ready to serve. My kid is eagerly waiting to taste the cake. How is it?
Yummy!
So try it and your family will definitely love it.